Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind scrappywife.com, and I just received my Hip Kit Club subscription for the month of November, so I thought I would unbox it and share it with you guys. Let's go. Okay, I am super excited to unwrap this month because this is the last of the bits and pieces that I was waiting for to start working on my December daily album, because that is coming up right around the corner. So let's check it out and see what is inside. All right, as always, it comes in these really large Ziploc bags that make it really, really easy to keep everything together, which is awesome, especially for December daily. I like saving these bags because I'll be able to keep all of my Christmas stuff together afterwards. So that is going to be really cool. Let me open up the main kit and show you what's inside. I am super anxious to see this kit up close and personal. This month includes a lot of Hip Kit Club exclusives. So normally Hip Kit Club kind of pieces together papers and embellishments from different designers that coordinate really well, that kind of go around a theme. And this month they had their in-house designers work on a lot of these different elements. And I'll be honest, last time they had the Hip Kit Club exclusives, I think it was for August, I wasn't as into it. It just wasn't my style as much. I just didn't get a lot of use out of it. So I'm anxious to see how the Christmas kit or the holiday kit kind of fits in. So let's start with the papers. We have this one, it's called Festive Floral. I do love all of those florals. And on the back, this is a great simple pattern for, I love that. It's like a blue Christmas tree in there. That's fun. That's definitely different. I love this sweater material. That is super cute. This one's called Jolly Good Sweater. That one's adorable. And on the back, oh yeah, you have the holly, kind of the sprigs right there. Super cute. Love the branding strip as well. Gotta love buffalo plaid. Really nice. This one is pom-poms, so not your traditional Christmas colors, but still really pretty. And that's a paper that'll be really versatile, maybe even going into January. I like that. Oh, and then you have this kind of retro ornament look. Very pretty. And again, I love that branding strip. This one is super cute. This is called Snowdrift. So you have all of these cute little houses with the snow-topped roofs. I feel like this would be super cute to fussy cut out on the bottom of a page or maybe along the side. That is adorable. And then buffalo plaid. Love, love, love it. And another adorable branding strip. I will definitely be saving all those. That is really pretty, really versatile for the season. Here you have Sock It To Me, all of the Christmas socks. I am a sucker for a good Christmas sock. So I think that is so cute. I can't wait to pick up some Christmas socks this season. And then this red plaid, very good. I like that there's a lot of basics mixed in here because I think that they're going to mix and match with other kits really nicely. And this is a really nice quality cardstock. I really like it. This one is called Stay Cozy, and it is those softer pastel colors. So pretty. And then, oh, look at that. There's like angels and snowflakes here. Very, very cute. I love that softer feel for the background. All right, you have Sugar Rush, which is super cute with all of the candy canes. Love that. And then another great neutral. These are kind of red dotted lines. Super cute. I love this Christmas tree one of my favorites. 'Tis the Season. Again, some unusual colors, but I really like it. I like that there's a mix. So if you are a traditional kind of holiday person and you like your reds and greens, that is definitely here, but they also have a mix of some of the softer colors, which is fun. And then on the back, a bold black and white stripe, which will go with all the things. Is that black? Yeah, that's black. At first I thought it might be navy, but no, it's a true black. Very pretty. And look at that. I want a whole paper with that on it. That's super cute. Here's some ornaments, super adorable with the snowflakes mixed in. This one's called Let's Trim the Tree. And then on the back, and more sweater material, which I feel like is super in. I love, love, love that. And last but not least, we have all wrapped up with a ton of little presents. Adorable. And some pink on the background with red snowflakes, or a darker pink snowflake, really. Very cute. So those are all of the papers that come this month, a ton of double-sided papers. Definitely will get you really far in your December daily. I absolutely love it. Super adorable. Let's check out the embellishments. All right, let's start out with the Puffy Alpha sticker. So they are in this beautiful red. It has a little bit of a floral detail on it. You get a ton. It does have capital and lowercase, some punctuation. I don't see numbers though, so no numbers with this set, but it is a really nice, rich red. It's not like bright cherry red, which I like a lot. So that is going to come in super handy. Then we have chipboard stickers. Now, I don't use chipboard very often, except in December Daily, where I can add all the bulk that I want. So you have these chipboard stickers. I love the frames, love these little dolls, Christmas Magic, Fa La La. I love all of the frames. I think those are going to be so fun to layer. Merry Everything, which is kind of the, that is the title of this whole collection, Merry Everything from Hip Kit Club. Love the little house and the rocking horse. So super versatile. I really, really like all of those frames. I think that's going to be so fun, maybe on even one whole layout. So that is adorable. Let's see what else we got. So I also don't get to use wood veneer very often, but look at these wood veneer shapes. So you can definitely add paint to these. You can color them, or I like them in their natural form just to add a bit of that natural feel to your page. Again, it's going to have dimension because it is actual wood, but that is fun and different from anything else I have in my December Daily collection. So that is absolutely gorgeous. You get some puffy dots, which is pretty common with Hip Kit Club. These are kind of flat on the top. It's a matte finish to these dots, and they're not completely rounded. And again, all the colors that are in the kit. You get this little mixture of sequins, so I cannot wait to make some shaker cards. That is super fun. And then you get a huge pack of die cuts. Let me move things off and I'll show you what comes with the die cuts. Okay, there are 55 pieces in these cardstock die cuts, and they are all different size. Some of them might be really hard to see. You have some little snow pieces right here, Dear Santa, Believe in the Magic of Christmas, some Christmas trees, candy canes. Love the little mugs. That's one of my favorites. Some different snowflakes. I like some of the smaller sizes. I work in a 6x8 album for December Daily. Like I said, I work in a 6x8 album, so I kind of like some of the smaller pieces. You have the poinsettias right here, a bunch of little ornaments, super cute. Another ornament right here, Christmas tree, envelope, super cute. I love the snow globes. More trees, more florals. Bring in the Christmas tree home, holiday wishes. The little penguins are adorable. Kind of go throughout. Lots of Christmas trees, lots of ornaments to choose from. There are so many. Holiday Movie Fest. That's fun. That's something a lot of us are going to be doing since we're not traveling as much. Santa, another little teacup filled. Another tree up here, another tree. Mistletoe kisses. That's super cute. Here you have the little TV. So this pairs really well with Holiday Movie Fest. That would be so fun. Such a fun spread to do, like listing out all of your holiday movies. The little stocking, another little bell, more stockings. I'm glad there are 3. I have 3 kids, so that works out really well. Another Christmas tree, a banner, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. So cute. So you get a ton of pieces, a lot of smaller ones, which I really like, getting to mix those in with larger pieces. So there you go. Those are all the cardstock die cut pieces that come with the kit. All right, and knowing that I was going to be doing December Daily for the month of December, and that I would be going through a lot of paper, most likely, making cards and gift tags and things like that, I did add on the cardstock kit this month. And I love adding it on because you get really good quality cardstock that matches perfectly with the elements in the kit, and it just works out really well. So you have this beautiful deep red. Love that. A gray. You get 2 of each color. So you have this dark gray. this minty green. Very pretty. It's textured on one side, flat on the other. I love this jewel tone green. That is absolutely beautiful. That is gorgeous. You have this light blue, super pretty, a mustard yellow. Love that. It's beautiful white. Oops. And a pink, a light pink, and a darker pink. I love getting to add on the cardstock because it kind of ups my collection of cardstock. I generally don't have 12 by 12 cardstock, so this is awesome. And it, like I said before, it's a really good quality that I don't normally pick up at the arts and crafts store. So it's nice to get it delivered and know that it's going to coordinate nicely with the kit that I received. So those are all the goodies that I received this month from my Hip Kit Club subscription. I do really like these exclusives. I like them much better than I did last time around. I'm super glad I got this kit. I think it's going to come in really helpful or really handy in December daily. So I cannot wait to show you what my plans for that are. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. I will make sure to link Hip Kit Club down below if you're wanting to check them out. Otherwise, I hope you have a fabulous day, and as always, keep it creative.